are going trick-or-treating today for a special Neonatopia event. We were invited to go to the neighborhood. Tulip goes. Oh, and look. We have our very own basket. And we have costumes. I decided to be a witch. Let me show you. Okay. Oh, I even have my very own broom. And then here's my cape. Oh, I look so nice. You love it, guys? Comment down below and say I'm the best. Shh, don't tell Tulip. Okay. And then, oh no, my hat. It's falling off. Oh no. Okay, I fixed it. Oh, kind of. I need Mama. Okay, and then Tulip goes. Boo. Ooh, I'm beautiful. Okay. See you at the trick-or-treating event. Bye. For now.
Okay, guys, they did the intro and stuff. We got the rocket ship ready and flew to Neonatopia again. Well, first time for their Halloween. Fidgets is somehow flying with her broom.
I fly.
Even though it's not even relatively under her legs.
Oh, I go trick-or-treating, you guys, in Neonatopia!
Yep.
Okay.
Oh God, it's your mortal enemy.
Oh, hello there, Frostbite.
Just move it.
Trick-or-treat.
Smell my feet.
May I have a candy? Ow, that's so rude. I'll never come to this house again. I'll put my candy in my basket.
Nope.
Okay. Go ahead, Tulip. It's your turn. Tulip, trick or treat.
Oh, a Tulip. I love these guys. Here, have a Kit Kat.
Kit Kat. No.
How about you take it? I can't take it.
Oh, no, tea.
Here you go, Yum.
Yum.
Put your thing back on.
Uh-oh. Then it's ready to go, Mother.
Okay, come on, let's go.
Okay, go
and
next house.
Here. Come on, go.
Tulip, trick or treat.
Oh, you have the cutest costumes. Take as much as you like, sweethearts.
Ooh, thank you.
Here, have
Trick or treat, lady.
Hi. How old are you?
I am only 1 year old.
Oh, that's so cute. How about you take a Twix?
Oh, thank you. Yum, yum.
Here.
Oh, come on, Tulip.
Okay, how about you?
Trick or treat, smell my feet, give me something good to eat. If you don't, I don't care. I'll put down your underwear.
That was rude, young lady.
I'm sorry. Trick or treat.
How about you just take the Twix and go?
Okay, goodbye. That was very fun, trick or treating. Thank you.
This neighborhood was small we visited.
That's okay. Tulip, trick or treat.
Oh my God, sister, give me some candy. I want to give her the rest of my candy.
Oh, Tulip, trick or treat. Oh, thank you. We can take buckets.
Yeah, that's probably easier.
Thank you.
Oh, honey, you're so cute.
Love.
Oh, that was so cute.
Okay, we go rocket ship. Be right back.
Made out like a bandit.
Yay! We're back from Neonatopia and our trick-or-treating. Now we're going to show you how much candies that we have. First, we're starting with Tulip's candy. I mean, not my... Yeah, Tulip's candy. That's fine.
Yeah, you didn't
Okay,
say
go
that.
ahead, Tulip. Tulip candy.
Here.
Ooh.
Here's your first one.
Kit Kat, dark.
And let's see what else you have.
Ooh.
Another Kit Kat.
Kit Kat, dark.
And a Twix. Yummy.
Delicious. Yeah.
That's actually a lot of candy because these little babies have very little stuff. Yeah, it's like the size of her.
Okay. Mother, my turn to check out my candy.
Here, you have
Some.
Ooh, is that like, it looks like a butterscotch flavor?
Oh,
Yum.
delish.
And then,
Twix. And
oh,
Twix.
right and left.
Right, left, Twix. Num, num, num.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. Thanks for watching our special trick-or-treating in Neonatopia.
Wait, who do you think had the better trick-or-treating night?
I think I had a great one.
What about you? Oh.
Okay, guys. Bye for more Halloween videos. Mwah!
Maybe we'll take them trick-or-treating with the big girls, too.
Oh, yeah. Let's go trick-or-treat. Bye.
That was so cute. They're so cute. Comment down below who has the better costume, Tulip or Fidgets. And just between you and me, guys, I think I did pretty good on both of them. I really like Fidgets.
What'd you say, Mother? Nothing. Bye, guys.
Bye.